Hello, fellow space travelers. What do you think about my spacesuit? Ta-da! I was able to make this spacesuit and complete with my space gloves because I went to McIver's Grant Public Library and picked up all the things that I would need for their spacesuit challenge. And I'm inviting you to join us. So I got the NASA Space and Solar Activity Kit, i.e. pizza box, with everything I had needed inside of it. I also got the spacesuit kit with all sorts of different components and handouts in it, and it showed me everything I would need to do to make my very own spacesuit. Part of the challenge, which is really cool, is that you also are being invited to figure out how to make sure your spacesuit has all the components that you will need for space activities, like a oxygen purge system, a portable life system, and other components. So the challenge is to make sure that all the things you'll need on your spacesuit can be stored inside of pockets. And you are going to be given things that the original spacesuit designers had, which is what they used to make these spacesuits: simply needle, thread, and the fabric itself. When you open up your space kit, you will also see inside a couple handouts. A chart that shows you how much these different spacesuit components weigh, and the equivalent in things like household canned foods and whatnot. There's also a chart showing you different types of stitches you can try, and you can experiment with these and see which ones are stronger or weaker and which one's going to hold the most weight. When you have your spacesuit ready to go, holding the weight of all your space components, you can also go back to the library website, McIversGrantPublicLibrary.org, click on Programs, and go to the Spacesuit Challenge by leading into the Read Squared account. And from there you can post how your spacesuit did and whether or not you could hold all of the things you'll need in your pockets. So I hope you pick up something and have fun with it the way I did, and we'll see you soon. Bye.